welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long since I've done a sit-down video with you guys, but today is very exciting because I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So I know that this background is usually not my regular background, but I have moved ever since, and I moved like last month, so I'm trying to get up an apartment tour for you guys, so stay tuned for that, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get on with the shoe unboxing. So I literally just got the package. I just picked it up at my hub like a couple minutes ago, like 10 minutes ago maybe. And yeah, I have it right here. So these are just the Alexander McQueen sneakers. I got these off of Essence. So yeah, and it was really fast shipping. I literally just bought these yesterday and the shipping was literally so fast. I really hope these shoes fit my feet because I've been watching a lot of like YouTube videos and reading the reviews, and it said to get a half size up. I'm so excited. So can't really see it, but this is what it looks like. Let me take it out of the box. So this is what the box looks like. I'm so excited. I got the gray suede color. Oh my god, moment of truth. Okay, there's tissue paper. Okay, so it comes with a card. I think this is just the care card there. Oh my gosh. Look at these. They're so clean. Like, so yeah, this is just what it looks like. It has, I don't know if it's focusing, but okay, so it does have the Alexander McQueen logo right here, and it's just a gray suede. So, oh, it has the size right here, the size sticker. So I got a size 39, and I'm usually a size 8.5 in women's. Because a lot of people say it's true to size, but then this girl I watched, she was like, get half size up. Because I don't know, I guess it's like tight or something. It comes with extra laces, so it comes with gray laces. This is just the left shoe. So this is what they look like. I don't know if it's focusing, but literally white and gray, plain white and gray shoes. Okay, so it has stuffing inside as usual. I'm just hoping they fit me. Why is this so tight? Like, let's take out. Okay. Oh, it does have the logo on the tongue as well. I don't want to crease it, but yeah, you can see like there's the logo here as well. So just another close-up. It also has like a engraving of the Alexander McQueen logo, and it says made in Italy on the soles right here. And then it has like a code under the tongue. I don't know, there's just a bunch of numbers, and then it says 39D, which I'm guessing is the size. So yeah, let's try these on to see if they actually fit. The stuffing is so freaking hard to take off. Like, do they not want us to wear these shoes? Gosh, I'm nervous. Okay, oh my god, it's so tight. Why is it so tight? I can't even put my foot in there. Oh my god, they fit perfectly. There's like a little bit of wiggle room at the top, like the toe area, but it literally fits perfectly. I would recommend to do half a size up. Again, I'm a size women's 8.5, men's 7, and youth 7, and I got a size 39. A 38.5 is basically an 8.5 in women's, and I don't know, if you kind of just take out the 3, then it would make sense. So I got 39. This is a size 9. So yeah. Do people even like tie this like rabbit ears, you know what I mean? Or you just insert it. I love these shoes, guys. I'm so freaking obsessed. So again, I got these on Essence, but I got these for like $3.75 plus tax, which was like $27. So it was like $4.05 total. But honestly, I literally would not even pay freaking $500 for sneakers, like literally white sneakers. So I waited for the Essence sale, and I was so freaking glad they had a color that I liked in stock in my size. So blessed. Okay, let me try on the other shoe now and see how it feels like walking wise. Okay guys, I'm gonna do this like try on showy thingy vlog style because I do not have time for like b-roll stuff. So those like couple steps I just made, I will say that the tongue kind of like gets caught in like your front ankles. It's like pretty stiff right now, but I'm pretty sure once it gets broken in then it's fine. But yeah, like it's so freaking stiff. Anyway, watching Miss Remy Ashton, love her. But yeah, let me show you guys. So these are what they look like. Super freaking cute. I love them. Like, love. Like if I walk forward, you can see that the tongue is like gonna rub off on the front ankles. Like, you see that? Like it's too freaking stiff right now to be comfortable, but yeah. These are so cute. Again, I really do recommend to get a half size up because, I don't know, I feel like it's a little narrow, maybe not for wide feet. I freaking love these shoes. I think I'm gonna like walk around with them some more to, you know, get a feel for it. I'll add like another slide of what I think about these shoes. So this actually retails for $540, $560, depends on the style you want, but for the regular ones I think it is just $540. If you guys are debating whether or not to get these, honestly I would just say yes, just get it. Like, why did it take so long for me to get one? But yeah, I'm so excited to wear these out. And if you guys have any questions of anything about the shoe, just comment down below. I reply pretty fast, I would say. So yeah, I forgot to show you guys, but the back or the bottom just looks like this. I feel like it will be better as you break the shoe in. So yeah, I feel like it'll get like a little softer, but if it doesn't, then I'll let you guys know as well. Don't forget to subscribe to, you know, get updates on this shoe, on how I feel about it. So yeah. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!